My name is Barb Thompson. I'm a registered nurse for the Outreach Nurse Program for Johnson County Department of Health and Environment. We provide home visiting services once a month. When we go out, we do a nursing assessment, including vital signs, oxygen saturation, just check from head to toe, listen to lungs, make sure their weight is stable. We also look for environmental safety issues. We do a lot of education on how to eat, or maybe we hook them up with Meals on Wheels through Area Agency on Aging. Another big part of our job is education on medication. That seems to be a big problem as far as patients being discharged from the hospital and not knowing their medications. We also are support to caregivers, because once a caregiver starts taking care of their spouse or a loved one, they need that extra support, and we can provide that, give them the right resources to go to the appropriate meetings or just listen to them talk. So many families are mobile, so they're on the East Coast, West Coast, and so we try to connect the families together to help their loved one. An example I can give you is a client who is 98, lives in her home independently, does very well. I hooked her up with Area Agency on Aging for Meals on Wheels, a homemaker, a bath aid. The family calls me once a month to make sure there hasn't been any changes. So it gives that family a peace of mind knowing that someone is looking in on that client. In order to qualify for the Outreach Nurse Program, you have to live in Johnson County. There's no age limit, but we prefer sticking with clients that are frail elderly, that have many medical issues, and have a lack of social support. If you or a loved one want to become eligible for the program, you can call Johnson County Department of Health and Environment at 913-826-1200. And if you have further questions, you can go to the website at www.jocogov.org. There's no cost to the client or the family. It's more of the nurses being advocates and making a better life for